got 4 eggs and 2/3 of a cup of orange juice. We're gonna be adding a little bit of vanilla extract. To that, we are gonna be adding 1/4 cup of just regular sugar. Pour that all in there. And then for our last ingredient, we'll be adding some milk. So we're just gonna add 1/3 of a cup of milk. Get this all mixed together. Then just pour it into our baking dish. I've got a box of these little petite or mini croissants, not the regular size. You want to get like the tiny ones. You can get some scissors. If you have croissants left over, this is perfect for that. And then we're just going to cut into the baking dish. And we've got our last croissant that we're cutting up. And then we're just going to take our hands and smush it down. You can use a spatula. You can use the kitty's hands if you'd like. I bet they would enjoy doing this part. Once we've got that going, we're going to add frozen mixed berries. These are great because they've got giant strawberries in it. So we're just going to toss it right on top. Doesn't that look good already before you even put it in the oven? And I've got one more thing, and that's Cinnamon Toast Crunch Dust. If you don't have this or you can't find this at your local store, just use cinnamon and a little bit of sugar. And that goes into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Take a look. It smells so cinnamony, and who doesn't like croissants and berries? Okay, so I've got 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of milk just so we can make like a really pretty glaze. Be careful, don't add too much. Less is better, so just a couple of tablespoons. So that looks about good. Now we're just gonna go through and drizzle. Oh, looks like one of those, like, what is it, a toaster strudel? But with berries. You know, this is my favorite corner. And I'm gonna put it on this nice little checkered plate. Doesn't that look amazing? You can add whipped cream if you want. It's so hot, I can see the steam. Oh yeah. It tastes like you'd get this at like a really fancy brunch place. I promise, make this at home. Everybody will think you bought it at a restaurant.